Vechain is just about to give us a break out of this bullish flag that is in formation here on the 1 hour chart, and the next key area of resistance that I'm watching for a break above lies above the 0.02706, and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest, then I'm expecting Vechain to get us back above the 0.03 in the next coming hours or maybe days. And in today's video I will be discussing the breakout target areas, what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Vechain chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we are trading within this descending channel here on the 1 hour chart, which has been formed after we saw a very nice bounce from the pullback that we saw on the 24th of June. And you can all see that at the moment we are trading on the upper side of this channel, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours we might see a break out of this descending channel to the upper side, which can also be seen as a bullish flag. This is a flag that is in formation, having that as the pole, and this is the flag. And this is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height of the pole. So I can get that height and then place it at the breakout area to give us a minimum target to the upside, where we can have our minimum target area for the breakout back above the 0.0287. And for that breakout to happen, we need to see Vechain give us a break out of this channel to the upper side first, maybe with a retest of the upper side of the channel, continue to see higher prices breaking above the 0.02706, which is an area of resistance, and the moment you manage to flip that back into support, then we can easily see that movement back above the 0.0287 and back above the 0.03 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that since we have not yet managed to break out of this channel to the upper side, and the upper side of the channel is acting as resistance, there are chances that we can get rejected. And if that is the case, then I will be watching for a pullback to the lower side of the channel, where we should find support, get another bounce back, maybe with a successful break to the upside, and the moment we manage to break above it, then watch for a break above resistance at the 0.0706, the 0.02706, and a break above that with a retest, then continue watching for higher prices. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term, where I'm expecting a breakout in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis and what I'm expecting Vechain will be doing in the next coming months. If I zoom out on the daily chart, you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure that I've been tracking since last year in June, where you can see that we have our bear market lows below the 0.01355, and after seeing the bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce giving us highs above the 0.0553 in a movement that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas for the pullback I have marked on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the bear market lows to the high for that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78 as a maximum, which is an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in that wave 2, and Vechain is ready for an explosive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3. It's just a matter of time until we start to see that reaction to the upside and get that explosive move in that Elliot wave count 3. But you also need to have in mind that in case Vechain gives us a break out of this blue target area to the lower side, and we also lose significant key areas of supports, there are high chances that we can easily see a reset of the bear market lows that we made below the 0.01339. So that is another thing that we need to have in mind, and that is what I'm expecting on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.